Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Yeah, we are here again today, and in today's video we are making one of our favorite recipes for parties and Christmas. Yeah, it is Christmas, and so we are making fried rice. Yay. For this fried rice, I have parboiled the rice I'll be using and washed thoroughly. I am using 3 cups of rice here. And I've also prepared the vegetables I'll be using. I washed and sliced all of them. I have some green beans which I've cut, some purple onions and spring onions, some green peas, some carrots which I've also cut, and some sweet corn. I also have some fresh pepper which I blended, and I'm using gizzard. I don't have liver, so I'll be using gizzard which I've cooked, roasted, and chopped into smaller chunks. And then I'll start by cooking the rice first. Into the pot there I have some water which I'm adding some meat stock. I have chicken that I cooked, so I'm using the stock. I'm adding some seasoning cubes and also some curry powder for that fried rice color, and I'll also be adding turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, for more flavor and the color, especially for the color. Once it starts boiling, then I'll add the already parboiled rice. Stir everything together. Check for salt. Test for salt. If you don't have enough salt in it, you add a little more salt, but be careful with the salt. I tested it. The salt wasn't enough, so I'm adding a little more salt to it. And then cover and allow it to cook. While the rice is cooking, I'll start frying the veggies. So into the dry pot, I'm adding some vegetable oil. When the oil heats up, I add the purple onions and the spring onions. The purple onions, that's the normal onions we use, and the spring onions. But the spring onions is optional. I'm adding it because I have it. Like I always say, if you don't have it, don't worry. Just go with the purple onions or the red onions or the white onions, anyone you have. Stir fry it and then start adding the other vegetables. I start with the ones that are very strong. The peas is always strong, so I don't like how strong it is. I'll add it and allow it to cook for some time before I add other vegetables. The green peas has been frying for about 2 minutes. I'll now add the green beans and also fry it for about a minute before adding other ones. I will now add the carrots. Stir it and then add the pepper, the sweet corn, and also the gizzard, and stir everything together, and then our vegetable stir fry will be ready. Okay. I'm also adding some seasoning cubes and salt. 2 small seasoning cubes and a little salt. Yeah, our vegetable stir fry or sauce is ready and already very delicious. And also the rice is also ready and very colorful. We'll now marry the two together. The next thing we're going to do is to mix the two together. I'll cut the sauce into two because I'm going to fry it into two places. So I'll cut this one and fry the first one, and then keep watching. Now let's fry the rice. I'll just add the rice into the pot of the vegetables and stir everything together. I'm frying it into 2 batches, this and the next one. I have fried this enough, so for the second one I'll just add the vegetable which I cut out into this. You know, I divided the rice into two, so this is the pot I used in cooking the rice. I'll just pour the vegetable there and also fry it there, stir it together and fry it for some minutes also. After frying, I will now join the two together. I'm adding it to the bigger pot. And our fried rice is ready and so delicious. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And if you are new here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. Thank you for stopping by. And please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Click on the notification bell when you subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And to you all my returning subscribers, may God continue to bless you all. This is wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Remain blessed. Thank you. Love you. And enjoy yourself. Stay safe too. Bye-bye.